Hello, friends! Today we'll explore fun 3D shapes together. A sphere is perfectly round, like our beautiful planet Earth. Planets and balls are all spheres, smooth and round all around. A cube has 6 equal square sides, just like this glass house. Look! Even ice cubes are little cubes you can find every day. A cuboid is like a stretched cube, long and with flat sides. Boxes and suitcases are cuboids, great for storing things. A pyramid has a pointy top and triangle sides all around. Ancient pyramids are giant examples of this amazing shape. This tall magician's hat is a perfect example of a cylinder. Cans, glasses, and tubes are all cylinder-shaped objects. It's time for a mini game. Let's see how well you know shapes. Can you find which of these objects is shaped like a sphere? Yes. The ball is a sphere, round and smooth all over. One of these shapes is different. Can you tell which one? Correct. That shape is different from the other two. Which hat would a princess wear, cylinder, cone, or pyramid? Yes. A princess hat is cone-shaped with ribbons on top. Who is wearing the cylinder-shaped hat among my friends? That's right. The lion is wearing the cylinder hat. Which of these balloons is shaped like a sphere? Yes. The round balloon is the sphere. Let's quickly review all the shapes we've learned today. A sphere is round, smooth, and has no edges at all. A cube has 6 square sides, all the same size. A cuboid is like a cube, but longer or taller. A pyramid has triangle sides and a sharp top point. A cylinder has 2 circles and smooth straight sides. A cone is pointy at the top and has a circle at the bottom. Shapes are everywhere. Let's keep finding them together. Thanks for learning 3D shapes with me. Tell your parents to subscribe. See you soon, friend. Bye-bye.